Welcome back to Diane's channel again. We're wrapping up this series with sculptures. Comfort, take it over.
Okay. Hello, this is a sculpture work. A sculpture work is a wood work. That's the hard wood, the timber, the wawa, the strong, and what do you call woods. The ones in the forest, yes. That's what they have used to carve this. When we say carving is they have removed the unwanted parts. First, here was broad. Now they have removing this side. That's the unwanted part out of it. So this is this is an abstract work. Abstract work. The reason why it's an abstract work is that we can't see the person's face. We can see a human being over there, but we can't see the person's face. The face looks like an animal face. Yes, but the name of the work, the title is Mother and Child, a mother carrying a baby. So this is the baby and this is the mother carrying a baby. At the same time, the mother is pregnant. So it's what? It's an abstract way. And we have bead. Bead is good for us. Bead is very good for us. Give us nice shapes. So this is a bead way. The ladies, these are good for us.
There you go, ladies. You hear that?
And we have this too. These were types of sculpture work. This one is for wall hanging. We used to hang in a wall. It's for wall hanging. This is a relief work. The reason why it's called a relief work is that it can't stand by its own. When I remove it from this, it can't stand. It will fall down. So this is a wall. It's a wall hanging. We used to hang a wall. So this is realistic. You can see everything real. This is talking about the use of bead. How bead can beautify us. The bead can beautify it gives us nice shapes. It's beautify our face. That's the earrings, and then we have that's the chain over there too as well.
Okay.
So this one too is different types of sculpture work. This is someone blowing the horn. That's the cow horn. So we can see this one is it's a realistic work because we can see everything there is real. So this is a wood work. That's the wawa, the hard wood. So they just carve it. They remove the unwanted parts out of it after it, and then they paint it with a black. That's the black oil paint to beautify them. Paint to make it look attractive.
So, Comfort, what are the costs for the sculptures?
This cost is 20,000. Yes, sculpture works are a little bit expensive because it's not easy for you to get the wood. The wood are hard to get.
So 20,000 CDs for this particular piece. Okay, and here we have.
Okay, this too is a sculpture work. This one for hangings. They used to hang walls. Yes. So this one's a different types of animals. This one's are different types of animals. This one is a wall hanging. It's a sculpture work, and that's 10,000.
10,000 CDs.
Ghana cedis.
Okay.
That's the strong wood. And we have this. This is a sculpture work. It's a sculpture work. The person is holding a pot. The person is a male, and he's having a bead over there. It's a realistic work. So this one too is 10,000 Ghana cedis.
10,000 Ghana CDs. Guys, remember, just divide by 14 to get the US dollars. Comfort right here.
Then we have another wall hanging. It's a sculpture work.
I like this one.
It's joined together. It's a different. They are playing ball. It's a football team. They are playing ball. That's the whole hanging work. This one's normally the hotel people normally use this on their receptionists.
Yes.
It beautifies the place. It makes the place look attractive as well. And so it talks about a lot. It talks about a whole lot of things. This one's they are together. They talk about unity. Unity as well. They are unity. They are one. They are playing football together. So this one to talk about unity.
And the cost?
The cost is 10,000. It's unity.
So the cost of the sculptures are between 10,000 and 20,000 Ghana CDs.
Yes.
Okay, one or two questions for you now, Comfort, because thank you so much for showing me the artwork. For the audience, can you give me your opening hours here at the gallery?
Okay, we started work around 8 and we close 5 o'clock. Yes, so that's our schedules.
How many days are you open?
We open it, that's Mondays to Saturdays. Yes, Mondays to Saturdays.
So that's 6 days per
6
week.
days in a week, yes.
Okay.
We are always here.
And if someone is interested in artwork, they just, when they come here, they just choose what they want and pay for it and they go?
Yes, you can just walk in for what you call impulse buying. It's
Yes.
allowed. You can just, when you are interested to, tell you the price and then you just purchase one. Yes, when you want us to ship it for you, we can also do it for you as
And when you say shipping, are we talking international, outside of Ghana, or just within Ghana?
Yes, within Ghana and outside
And
Ghana.
outside of Ghana,
Yes.
internationally?
Yes, international.
So if somebody in Jamaica or the United States or Canada or wherever outside of Ghana,
Yes.
you can get it shipped
Yes, we
to
can
them.
just ship it. We just remove the, what do you call, that's the, we can remove the canvas from it and then we roll it. Yes, then we ship it. It's
Excellent.
easy. Yes, we can
That's
do it.
good to know. And let me ask you something now. Comfort. If somebody likes a piece of art and say, could you put it aside for me? Can I pay a deposit and come back? Do you have that offer? Do you have that option?
Yes, we have it.
Tell me how that works.
Yes, that one, I'll just introduce you to my boss. The name of my boss is Mr. Kizito.
Yes.
Yes, he's a very nice person and he's a good person. He's always ready to just have you, and when you come, you can do it small. When you are done, then you give the work to you. That one too is allowed.
Awesome.
So you just see him and you talk to him about it. Yes.
Comfort, I think that's one of the best news that you have just given right here. You hear that, guys? If you're interested in a piece of art at the art gallery in Accra, yes, and you're not able to purchase it one time, you can, make a deposit or have dialogue with Comfort's boss and arrange what we will say a payment plan. In Jamaica, another word we use, hire purchase. Yes, in the States, sometimes people are accustomed to lay away. So come on now, I think it is good. Comfort, thank you very much. You have been a fantastic tour guide. Yes? You wanted me to look at something else?
We have a
Okay.
young artist, so she's very good at taking picture taking. Yeah, she's the one who took this picture. She's very good at it as well. So
Nice.
yes,
This is her work.
works.
Okay,
Yes.
so Comfort is highlighting this
Yes.
artist, guys. So we're going to just show you. And this is photographs.
Yeah, she's a photographer.
Photographer.
Yes.
Nice.
She's an expert in that. She's very good.
Excellent.
Yes.
Guys, again, Comfort, thank you so much.
You're always
And
welcome.
anyone that visits Ghana on vacation, please stop by the art gallery. Ask for Comfort. Very helpful, and she has a team here. They're also very helpful and extremely generous, right? And for those of you who are already here in Ghana and you have not had an opportunity, meaning that you just moved to Ghana and you haven't had an opportunity to visit the art gallery, please do. Thank you so much. Please share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Merasi. God bless.